Lesson 8, Session 2, page 172. Problem number 4. Put your finger under the word with me. Here we go. There are 9 frogs. There are 5 lily pads. How many more frogs are there? This time I'm going to read and you're going to put your finger under the word. Here we go. There are 9 frogs. There are 5 lily pads. How many more frogs are there? I want you to close your eyes. Here we go. There are 9 frogs. There are 5 lily pads. How many more frogs are there? Okay, you open your eyes. So what you're seeing right here, what the frog is sitting on, this is called a lily pad. And the lily pad is a big giant leaf that floats on the top of the water. And frogs like to jump and sit on top of the lily pads. Okay? So we're comparing frogs and lily pads. We have to figure out which one is greater. Which number is greater? We know we have 2 numbers. We know we have 9 and we know we have 5. Okay, so which one is a greater number? We have 9 and we have 5. Is 9 a bigger number than 5? Or is 5 a bigger number than 9? Let's see. Let's count how many green dots we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 frogs. These have to be my frogs, right? These are my frogs. Here's my arrow. Okay? There are 5 lily pads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, every time I write, I want you to write on your paper. So we're comparing the frogs to the lily pads. We can see that there are not lily pads down here that will match up to the frogs. So we can see that 9 is greater, so I'm going to give it 2 dots, and 5 is fewer, so I'm going to give it 1 dot, and I'm going to connect. 9 is greater than 5, and 5 is smaller, right? So I'm going to give it 1 dot, and 9 is greater, so I give it 2 dots. So 5, because it has 1 dot, is fewer. 5 is fewer than 9. Let's compare them. Frog, lily pad, frog, lily pad, frog, lily pad, frog, lily pad, frog, lily pad. How many more frogs are there? Can I say there's 9 more frogs? No. They're missing a lily pad here, 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 and here. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 fewer lily pads and 4 more frogs. Here's that 9 minus again. Oh, that's right. Whenever we have a minus, that means we have whole minus a part equals a part. Well, we already know one of the parts. We know that there were 5 lily pads. That's our missing part. Okay, we can count on from the part we know, which is 5, up to the whole, which is 9. Let's do that. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mrs. Sanders is silly. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many dots did we draw? 4. So 4 is the missing part. There are 1 frogs more than lily pads, 2 frogs more, 3 frogs more, 4 frogs more than we had lily pads. Okay, number 5. There are 3 fish. Read it with me. There are 6 fish bowls. How many more fish bowls are there? My turn to read. There are 3 fish. Circle it. There are 6 fish bowls. Circle it. How many more fish bowls are there? Oh my goodness, they didn't make a number bar. I'm going to make my own number bar. Okay, so there are 3 fish. 1, 2, 3. And here is my fish. Okay, and there are 6 bowls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, fish bowl, fish bowl, fish bowl. How many more fish bowls are there? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 more fish bowls, right? But there are 3 less fish. There's no fish here, no fish there, and no fish there. There are 3 less fish. Let's draw whole, part, part. When we're comparing 2 objects, we already have the number in those 2 objects, right? We have 6, which is the greater number that goes in the whole. There are 3 as the part, and we can count on from the part we know up to the whole. 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 1 fish bowl without a fish, 2 fish bowls without a fish, 3 fish balls without a fish. So we have 3 here, 3 here, 3 here. How do I write my equation? It says whole minus a part equals a part, right? Whole minus a part equals a part. What's my whole? 6. What's my part? The part I knew was 3. There were 3 fish, and how many fish bowls did not have fish? 1, 2, 3, right? There were 3 more fish bowls.